Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel today. I want to quickly check this is plugged in. Okay, so welcome back to the channel today, and welcome to another case study video of my lead gen secrets. I still haven't, like I said, I'm still keeping track. I don't really know what day this is, but you know, you guys will see it on the thumbnail. Okay, so welcome to another my lead gen secrets case study video. So we are at another day, and before we get right into checking my stats, to see if I made a sale. And if you're just joining in, actually, we are trying to get our first sale on Clickbank using my lead gen secrets. I'm sorry couldn't mail yesterday because I couldn't mail yesterday. I couldn't do a video yesterday because of some constraints. But I'm here today. So basically, if you're just joining in, what is my lead gen secret? So my lead gen secret is a mailing system that gives you 100 leads. They give you 100 leads, and these email leads are interested in business opportunity offers, right? That's basically what my lead gen secret is. And I still don't know how they get these leads, but um these guys are like hungry buyers. They want to know how to make money online with the whole pandemic going on, and people are trying to work from home, trying to make something from home. So this is where these leads come from. People are actually killing me with this system. Like I said, I was in the paid community the other day, and I had someone say that they have about 10 accounts. And the people are saying that they have minimum of 2 accounts, and there's some people that actually have 1 account, and they're actually crushing it, right? So that's what my logistic is all about. So if you're going to get in on this system, right, and it's something you would like to get in on, just click the link in the description below, right, and you're brought over to this page. When you are brought over to this page, you want to click on use my secret now. And you want to input an email address. I'll just write nonsense there. I kind of don't have time to start typing email addresses. Okay, so you brought over to this page. That's going to be your email address. Don't write that gibberish, please. Okay, so then you put your username, your password, confirm your password, your first name, your last name, where did you hear about us? You can write my name, you can write your mass marketing, I guess you probably heard about it from me, or maybe from wherever you heard it from, but you can, and it depends on what you want to use it for. So the whole payment, right, is $60, right? So they give you $100. Sorry, they give you $1 for 100 leads a day, right? So if you see $30 worth setup fee, right, and $30 a month for your email leads for 30 days. So at the end of 30 days, you wind up with 3,000 leads, if that makes sense. So like I said, you can't just download these leads and upload them to Aweber, MailerLite, get response, KVO or something like that. I don't really know. There's so many out there. You can't do that because they won't even allow you. So, and they have their own special mailing system that they use. Then you put in your credit card information, and you click this and you click on yes, let me in, and yeah, and that's just basically it. You get into the system. If you haven't watched my review video, you can go and watch that. I covered all that. And like I said, as always, if you are in Nigeria and you want to get in on this system and your card is limiting you, you can use Wallets Africa, right? These guys give you virtual card VCCs. They give you USD virtual card, and it's free. As you can see, lowest transfer fees. I don't think about that. Cashbacks, I don't know. I think yes, the cashback is okay. As you can see, free virtual cards. So this platform helps. They give you free virtual cards. You can use these guys, and once you guys download the app, you can use my code right here that says wallet JRJR93. I'll have this code in the description so you can use that. So I kind of like get some sales or maybe a commission of that, because it's kind of like an invite code. I wonder why they didn't use a link, but it is what it is. So as at the time I got my own, I got dollar address of 60, I think 603 or 602. Yeah, 602. Now dollar is actually 605. So the exchange rate to naira is really bad. So I'm sorry about that, but you know just a one-time thing. But if you know a place that you can get dollar at a very cheap rate, you can also use that. So this is just for my Nigerian fellow brothers. If you are not in Nigeria, it doesn't really apply to you. You can just go ahead and buy the system and not worry about any of those things. Okay, so let's click. Let's. With that being said, right, let's just log into my Clickbank account and just check the stats if we made any sales. If not, better days ahead. We keep mailing. You know. So yeah, let's log in and let's see. Let me write. Okay, so I will hit enter. Check my Clickbank account. Account can't. Alright, still no sales, no sales, no sales, no sales. But then better days ahead, better days ahead. And let me just check reporting and just see how it works. I didn't mail yesterday. I've actually been slacking. I've been missing days. I've not been mailing out. Yo, so we got a total of 134 hops in total for the rest of the hops. Then we got three order form, right? And we got 48 impressions in total. So, but there was still no sales, still no sales. Better days ahead, better days ahead. But it's all good. We are still continuing on our series of let me quickly log into my account real quick. So I'll click this members login. So I'm kind of like going to all right, that didn't work, so I should log in now, hopefully. So let's just check the stats real quick. So last time I made was on the 6th, right? 26th rather. So like 165 open, 165 clicked, 13% click through rate, 9% click through rate. So better days ahead, that's so today I guess I'll be mailing 1600 leads or 1400 leads. So let's go over to marketplace. So today, as always, you're still promoting the write up reviews. Like I wanted to promote social pay today, but I think for now I'll just promote write up reviews, and maybe after the whole day is gone, maybe I'll move over to social pay. I don't really know, but I still keep promoting write up reviews. Or maybe I should just change the product. I'm not really sure. I don't know. Okay, so we are in the marketplace right now. We have to go down. Like I said, these leads are not going to work for any other category aside from the e-business and e-marketing. These hungry leads are actually looking to make money online, and they are in the business opportunity niche. So this is what we are promoting. Still promoting write-up reviews. Should I change to social P? I'm not really sure. There's another product called social P. I think this should be this one. Paid analyzing just. I'm not really sure. I think I should just mail out. Let's see. Let me mail out one more write-up reviews. Let me just keep mailing the write-up reviews and just see. I'll click on the affiliate page. So I want to get my email swipes for I think day 5 or so. I guess they are moving fast. So scroll down to email swipes. Let me check let me check the header of the first. So that's on the 26th time midnight. So stress-free earnings. So I think it's probably day 5. So sorry about that. I think it's okay. So I think we've mailed out this one. How about I think it should be okay. Should not be so because it's email 6. So playing smartphone games 150 per day. You come over here, then go over to mailing system. As easy as that. When you keep doing things frequently, you begin to understand how the whole thing works. So I'll click and select all. As you can see, I'm mailing 1500 leads today. So Next thing I will do is I will paste this, right? um and I'll come over here. I'm sure this thing is actually quite easy, guys. Just copy and paste, right? Then I'll copy this as well. It's like quite easy on PC. All this while I was using on my phone, it wasn't really that easy to do it. So I'll delete all this, Control V, right? Then high name, like as always, you go and grab this code. Like I said, this email list, they have like names. So if you know how to address them by their first name, so if you want to address them by their first name, they are actually email codes. So let's say your name is John, and the email gets to the inbox of John, right? It's going to say hi John, right? So that's the beautiful thing about email marketing. So the next thing I will do is I'll delete this. I hit Control V, you know I'll delete this as well. The Jeremiah, I didn't want to add marketing because I didn't want to sound too salesy. So sorry about that. So next now I want to go and generate my hop link, promote this, tracking ID as always, MLGS, my lead gen secrets, and I'll create hop link, copy this. Like guys, it's so much easier on PC, right? Okay, so I'll highlight this, I'll hyperlink this, right? I'll click on the hyperlink, that's that symbol there. I'll hit Ctrl V, then I'll hit OK. Then we are good to go. Next thing I'll do, I'll preview it first as I want to check to see how it is. Okay, so play smartphone games for 150 per day. Do you play multiplayer games on mobile? No doubt. If you have a gateway, blah blah blah. If you have internet access on your phone. So I think this is the reason why products like this convert, right? Because it's just more or less like games and stuff to make money online. Okay, so I close this. I'll click on perfect timing because I want them to deliver my emails at a very good time. Make sure you click this, right? And now for the signature, I'm still going to work on that. I haven't had time to come and do it. So I'm mailing 1,500 leads. I started on the 14th, I guess, and I'll click on send email. It's that easy, guys. It's that easy. So as you can see, your message has been queued. You should be able to view it in the statistics page in few moments. So let me just scroll down and just okay, let me go to my statistics page. I don't know. Okay, statistics. So as you can see, I made that 1,500 today. So it's still going. So that's basically the whole gist of the story for this case study video. I haven't made any sales yet, and I think it's going about 2 weeks and a half now. But it's okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And again, if you want to take my legend secret, there will be a link in the description below. You all should go and check out my legend secrets, and if you buy through my link now, I get like 7, I get 200 bonus leads. So if someone signs up on that, you get like 200 bonus leads. Like on that person signs up on that, me, I'll get like 300 bonus leads, and which makes more for me to be able to reach more people and make sales. So it's more or less like a numbers game, like I said. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll catch you guys on that case study video, and if you have any questions, you can reach out. You can give a comment below, and yeah, bye for now.